Moving on to the energy spider or energy sector, XLE. They are forming a bullish setup. Finally, I know November is going to be bad for the crude market seasonally, historically, but seems like this one is changing. And if it goes above this trend line, the green trend line, if it goes above this, the decisive moment is going to be $92. If it goes above $92, we can reach to double top or even new all-time high 98. Exxon, the same formation. We had a pretty nice choppiness consolidating below this 116. If it goes above this important pivotal point, we can go all the way up to 122. CVX, Chevron is the same. So keep an eye on this just because this one can go a lot higher if it goes above 161 on a weekly close. 100 times, I would say. Actually, that's exaggerate, but you see that how many times it just tackled this 160 to 162. I can just count it just in a small time frame. Here is the one, here's the one. We got a fake breakout gap. Look at this huge gap. And then here, and the next time is coming potentially here. So you see that there are lots of tackle to this area, 161, 162, and it cannot break above this. If it goes above this, if it stays above this weekly basis, that would be a great kind of like a buying setup or breakout setup for Chevron to go a lot higher. So we will see how it goes. What do you think, folks? Which sector is your favorite at this moment? At this environment, we have 2 months to the year end, and usually these 2 months are going to be bullish, but market already had a great move to the upside, and seems like we are at the correction phase, or correction is already started. We will see how it goes for the next 2 weeks, and we will get back to you potentially next week for weekly analysis. Have a great weekend. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.